Okay guys, with yesterday's analysis coming out straight, and of course a lot of people made a lot of money right from here, in short thousands of dollars using the analysis. So they have been requesting for more, and of course in today's video we will be checking out how you can easily make more money within the market. Even if you're having a small trading capital, you should be able to make up to $200 using today's analysis, and we will be checking them out one after the other. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, I will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So if you're having, kindly follow up with it and see what we can get from here. I will be doing my analysis on 5-minute time frame just for us to have the recent signal for the trading activities today. Okay, so this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame. Like I said earlier on, I will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Okay, so this was part of the analysis I did yesterday. I noticed that this has actually got into the resistance zone, so I was waiting for that moment when it's going to sell. Okay, so it started selling at this point, and I waited for this breakout. It broke out around there, got to this region, went back up. Okay, went back up again and came down, and of course this is giving us a bigger picture, and of course guys, it has been selling since then. Okay, so you can see it started selling right from here, so till it got to this region, add another pullback, and of course it's still going to sell just the way we are seeing this. Okay, so this should be getting to this region first. Okay, so once it breaks out from here, then we expect it to pick up from there and get to this region, so it's going to sell more right from there. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then definitely we expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is very important. This alone will give us a lot of profit if you follow the instructions that are here. Okay, so this is very important. Let's move on to the next asset. Okay, this is boom 500, and we will be checking out the current chart right now. Boom 500 is presently on uptrend, so if you are not the type that likes trading spikes, I will advise you to stay away from the market. But if you want to trade it, it is a good entry point at the moment. This actually sold from here till it got to this support zone, and it played around there for a while, gave us a W form right here on the chart, and of course it is yielding, still going on with the uptrend. Okay, so we expect it to get to this region. Okay, so once it gets here, and if it's unable to break out from there, then we should experience a kind of downtrend signal right from there. So for now it is still very much an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so let's check out crash 1000. Okay guys, there are two things you get to learn from here. You will have a good analysis on what you need to do as you trade today. Okay, and you also see how I analyze the market, and this will help you to be able to use your custom made indicators very well. Okay, this actually got to this resistance zone at this point. Okay, if you should notice, it got there around the air, it was unable to break out from there, and got there again around there, still unable to break out from there, so it went straight into a deep downtrend. Okay, so broke out from this support zone, this particular support zone, as you can see, and got to this region, went back up again and came down to get to a new support zone. So right now it's trying to pull up. Okay, even though it's still very much on downtrend, but if it's unable to break out from this particular support zone, then we are most likely to get a full uptrend, but we need it to give us all the necessary signals before we go fully into it. And if that happens, then we expect it to get to this region as the TP. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, then definitely we expect it to get to these spots. Okay, so this is very, very important. And once it breaks out from here, then it should be getting to this region also. Okay, but we need the right signal, I mean the uptrend signal, before we can say it's going fully into an uptrend. So we need to be sure if it's going to break out below the support zone or not. Okay, if it's not breaking out below it, then it's going to be a buy. Okay, so let's wait for that. Okay, so let's check out crash 500. Okay, so guys, this is crash 500, just where we have seen it right from the resistance zone. It started a downtrend right from here. Okay, so we got the downtrend signal at the top right from there, and a sell signal, and it has been selling since then. And right now it has got into this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. We actually expect it to get to this region. If it does not, we are most likely to have it going down again and to try out this support zone. If it does not break out from there, to go back up and break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so once it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. That means at that point the uptrend has fully started, and of course it will buy more at that point. So we expect it to get to that point, and of course also expect it to get to this point at that level. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then we now expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, you should take note of all this and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, this is really fresh, then you can follow up with it and make sure you get the best out of it. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.